Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change Honda Ridgeline wiper blades. First, gather your new wiper blades and a soft towel. Make sure your Honda Ridgeline is parked on a level surface with the ignition off for safety. This simple maintenance task is crucial for clear visibility and typically takes about 15 minutes to complete. You'll find this process straightforward and rewarding, ensuring your windshield stays clean in all weather conditions. Now, let's remove the old wiper blades. Gently lift the wiper arm away from the windshield until it locks into an upright position. Be careful not to let it snap back. Next, locate the small tab on the wiper blade connector where it attaches to the arm. Press this tab and slide the old blade down and off the arm's hook. Repeat this for both the driver's and passenger's side blades, placing them aside. With the old blades removed, it's time to install the new ones. Take a new wiper blade and align its connector with the hook on the wiper arm. Carefully slide the new blade up onto the arm's hook until you hear a distinct click. This sound confirms that the blade is securely locked in place. Gently lower the wiper arm back onto the windshield, ensuring it rests properly. Repeat this for the other side. Finally, let's test your new wiper blades. Turn on your Honda Ridgeline and activate the windshield washer fluid. Observe the blades as they sweep across the glass, ensuring they operate smoothly and provide a clear, streak-free view. If you notice any issues, double-check the installation. This simple check confirms your new blades are working perfectly. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals. They're truly worth it for their comfort and durability. Plus, that lifetime warranty is fantastic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.